Hello, everybody. I am super excited you are here. This is part of a YouTube hop. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and subscribe if you are a subscriber of mine already. Like I said, this is part of a YouTube hop, so I hope you stick with me and visit all of the other channels to get inspired. There is some amazing projects that you guys can see. In the last clips, you saw that there is lots and lots of sponsors for prizes. So be sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to leave what country you live in. I think it's important because some companies aren't able to ship worldwide. It's a little bit harder to ship their products. So it's important that you do that as well. All right, if I missed anything, it will be in the description down below, so be sure to check out the description for all of the participants as well as the supply list of everything that I will be using in this video today. I am going to be creating some ATCs, artist trading cards. These are just little cards that you can trade with people, or sometimes they are just fun to create, and I have quite a collection of my own that I have created. Some are a little bit more dimensional than others, but typically when you are trading, I like to leave them a little bit flatter. That way they are easier to store and also ship. I am using some little trading cards that come in a little box. They are from Finnabair, and they have some letters on them. And I don't know, I just thought that it would be fun to maybe have some of that peeking through, although with the acrylic sprays, nothing peeks through really as much as I put on there. I am using the gloss sprays from Dina Wakley. These are amazing. But first I did put a coat of white gesso on them. This is not necessary if you are using the acrylic gloss sprays because these sprays specifically are acrylic and they will go on pretty much any surface. But I did it for a little bit of added texture. Like I said, I like to keep these a little bit flatter because I am going to be trading these with some crafty friends. So I needed to make them with some texture but not too dimensional. All right, so I sprayed a few different colors. The colors I'm using are Night, Turquoise, and Olive. And of course, all of these will be listed down below so you could check it out. And I picked up the excess color with more of the cards. I just thought it would be a good way to repurpose some of that excess spray, and I can make some more ATCs in the future. So this stamp is from Tim Holtz. I believe it's called Script Ledger or something like that. It will be listed down below so you guys can check it out if you are interested. It's one of my favorite stamps ever. And I'm using some Altenew permanent black ink. This ink will not bleed or smudge or anything once I start adding more stuff on top. And I am going to go ahead and use this domed scrapbook.com blending tool. This is typically used for blending out inks, but I thought it would be great to blend out some of this gesso on top of these ATCs, and it worked perfectly. Perfect. I don't even know if that's a saying, but I'm going to go with it. And it worked so good. I just kind of cleaned it off. I took it off of the handle and I cleaned it off, and I can reuse it as well. So this is a great tool for many different mediums as well. All right, so after I use the stencil, and I believe the stencil is from Dina Wakley, I am going to add some splatters. You guys know I am obsessed with splatters, and this is the Dina Wakley white spray. This one is the most amazing white you will find for adding splatters on projects. Next, I wanted to add a little bit more texture and interest to these little cards, so I am just taking a cap and putting it in some of the, I can't remember if it's the spray or if I used some watered down gesso. Either way, I added some circles to these cards, and now I am taking a stamp I believe this is a Finnabair stamp, and it says Live Inspired. I thought it was perfect for these little cards because all of the people that will be receiving these inspire me so much. And then I have this penny black die, and it says Follow Your Heart. I'm just adding it with some soft matte gel to this ATC card, and that is going to complete my little cards. I ended up making 9, I believe, and they will be off to their new home shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And here's a couple more videos you might enjoy. Don't forget to head on over to all of the other channels. You will not be disappointed. I want to thank you guys again, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.